Hi, welcome classmates and teacher. My name is Ariel Gutierrez. In this video, we will about the description of my family. This is my family. My wife's name is Patricia. My daughter's name is Maria, and my son's name is Felipe. They are one I love most. In this photo was taken on my son's birthday. My wife is wearing a white shirt and black pants. My son's wearing an orange shirt. My daughter is wearing a blue orange and a pink shirt, and I am wearing the uniform of the company where I work. This was my family. They are everything to me. Thanks for your attention. See you later.